You guys can see here, we got the drop panels off for the bunk. What's up guys, welcome back to another video on All's 3 Garage channel, and we got some more parts from 94 Pete that we're going to throw on here. I started to open it, but I had to wait for the camera to be on to actually open it.
That's right, we all got to do it together here. I know you couldn't hold your excitement in, but now we did have some of these prior, but they were a different style.
Yeah, so if you guys
couldn't pass up this deal, we got a bunch of them. There's another box back there. You might have got a little glimpse of what we're talking about, but
yeah, so if you guys go back earlier in the series on this truck, we put on the orange square ones. We have them around here somewhere.
I think they're laying in the truck.
Cab lights for the top, and we put 7 of them on, and we really liked them, but since we painted it, and I think we just decided that we wanted the round ones.
The little torpedoes.
Yeah, the torpedo ones, and so yeah, and we also went with the clear lens. If you guys want to take a look up there, show them up there. We did the clear lens because with the silver paint and the chrome, I think it looks a lot better. You know, it's not orange like this is down here. So we're going to be changing this out as well.
I think we just have to get a new cover for this, right? Like the LED's fine. It's just the orange cover, yeah. Hey, Michelle, Chrome Depot, you already know we'll be calling you, so may as well have it sitting on the counter for us.
Yeah, but so we got some of them lined up, half of them, and I think it looks awesome up there.
Yeah, we got them sitting just a hair forward, I think.
Yeah, so with the holes with the other ones, we can only use one of the holes that we drilled for the square ones. So we're gonna have to what we're gonna do is push them forward a little bit and drill the front hole so it sits farther forward and it goes over the visor and make the visor glow up when the lights are on. So I think we should get to it.
Let's get them lights unpackaged and get them put up there.
Yep.
It's like unboxing jewelry.
Yeah. I wouldn't know what that feels like, but
well, this is man jewelry.
Yeah.
Dang, man, look at that.
Pretty nice stuff here. And I think we got the same brand. We put these on the 359.
Yeah, we kind of got a little thing for those torpedo lights. We got it, so when we bought the 379 flat top, it had them on it. And, you know, after looking at them, we're like, yep, that's definitely the move. So that's got the same torpedo style lights. And then we'll walk over here and excuse the International. We've been doing some work on that one with a new oil pan, a whole bunch of stuff. But the 359 has got the same style. Those ones are, they look a little distorted because of the light, but same torpedo style.
Here, I found the other light.
There we go, so now we can
see
compare.
the difference. It's definitely a lot longer.
These are like factory setups.
Yeah.
Those were just LEDs instead. And these are LEDs too, but definitely.
Yeah, but this is reminds me more of a classic Peterbilt look.
Agreed.
The torpedoes, so let's get going. Just finished putting on the lights. It went pretty easy. It was just 7 holes we had to drill, and the other ones we used in the backside. And yeah, it wasn't too bad. Just super time consuming, but these aren't the cheap lights. We went with the more expensive ones that have, you know, it's a screw with the bolt on the bottom, so they're not coming off. Just like anything else on this truck, we're not taking it off, so it's here to stay.
The majority of you guys watching aren't subscribers, so if you like what you see on this channel, hit that subscribe button. You'll see a lot more of it.
So we painted the drop panels for the bunk off camera. I think you guys got enough for the painting process. but we mocked them all up and everything. Before we painted them, drilled all the holes, and now it's time to just put them in. So we got our quarter stainless steel nuts and bolts and washers, lock washers, everything we used on the front. And so I think it's time to get started, put them on.
Let's do it.
You guys can see here we got the drop panels on for the bunk, and
Dang, dude, they look sweet.
This thing looks killer on here.
Still gotta pop in them lights back there and probably put a few more, but
And we still have to address this back here with the cap.
yeah, we didn't tighten any of this right here.
No,
That's
yeah,
still
this
kind of
is
loose.
Still loose, everything. So we still got to address it all and figure out what we're doing with the tank and this piece. But
You can see all the compound that's on the paint. I mean, that's all because we buffed it out. There's still some scratches and stuff, but I can only imagine a year later what this truck's gonna look like after it kicks up some rocks.
Yeah, so this side looks awesome, and we also got the bumper on. Ryan put the bumper on. We decided we're not doing the bumper guides or
The old man
pogo
guides.
sticks or whatever.
There ain't nothing wrong with that.
No, we're not doing that. We actually got, I'll show you guys, it's in the truck.
Michelle hooked us up. It might have been Michelle or Mary. I can't remember which one at Chrome Depot. Any of your Chrome accessory needs, call Michelle. We'll put her link down in the description. Give her a ring because she really hooked us up on this truck.
We got these United Pacific LED double facing light, and we just got a sticker down here at the bottom, and it's not going to be, it's just going to be something that looks cool. And
Well, it's the double reflector, so it's red and orange on
yeah,
each side.
I'm just saying, it's not going to be a purpose for the driver or anything like that. It's just,
No, I'll give you a little ground clearance to show you
and it's
where it is.
the clear lenses, just
Yep.
like we're doing with the headlights and the cab lights up
lights.
there and everything. So still got to change these out, but
Dude, I can't believe. Just stand back and look at this thing. We get the pipes on there. What's kind of weird is, and what we're not 100% fans of, is where the drop panels stop at.
yeah.
You'd think like this one, they wrap it around the back. They would do the same thing and wrap it around, but but I guess when you got your pipes and stuff on there, we got the big,
But the pipe sits, right here. Though.
Yeah, it's a little odd.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the only thing that really bothered us, but the product was great. Sanded out nice and paint laid down good. And
Yep, but it's, this truck's filthy. You can see up top. And
oh yeah, we got
hood and
compound
everything
all
is
over.
Compound, dust, water, marks or whatever from wet sanding. So we're going to back it outside and give ourselves a wash. First wash after the paint's.
Let's do it. Go ahead, hop in there and start her up. Looking good. First time out of the garage since the paint job, so let's see what she looks like. Gosh, man, she looks good. Oh yeah, she's dusty, dirty, grimy. Hey, I'd say for being amateur painters, it sure looks good. So let's go ahead and fire up the pressure washer and get this thing cleaned up. What do you think?
Looking good. It's nice.
Dirty.
Yeah, but it's nice looking over the hood and it being one solid color, not
Like old Grandpappy's truck, man. She all multicolored, paint
That's how
peeling.
this one look. If you guys go back earlier in the channel, the first couple videos on this truck, the paint, well, there was no paint pretty much.
Oh no, it was paintless.
Or clear coat. So
Man, she looks good though.
It's come a long way.
Sorry, I don't want to misgender the truck. It might be a boy, might be a girl.
It's
It's a girl. Screw it. We'll piss off somebody, but
Still
man, she
see-
looks good.
We couldn't see when we were doing Bondo and stuff. There was a couple dents we couldn't see over the primer.
But you know what, man? It's gonna work. And for the most part, it's cleaned up. It looks great. Just a little dings and stuff on the back of the sleeper. But if that's all it's got, I don't care.
But let's get washing here before it gets dark.
All right, guys, I figured it's about time to wrap this video up. Dave and I, well, you can see it's kind of getting dark outside, and we still got to finish doing this truck. So figured it's nice to end it right here. You guys get a little glimpse of what the hood looks like. We probably should put in a clip of what it looked like before, but this thing looks awesome. We're finally seeing progress and stuff get put back on this truck to really make it look like it's something worthy of the road. If you guys haven't already, go check out Chrome Depot. Michelle over there, she'll hook you up with anything you need right on 44 in Manaway, Ohio. It's one-stop shop for anything chrome for these trucks. She's helped us tremendously build this truck and all the accessories. Also, go check out Fibertech on 4 states. They'll hook you up with anything you need. Big Rig Chrome Shop as well is another one that helped us build this truck as well. Bunch of parts. We're finally getting everything put back on here. It's looking great. And before it gets too dark, we're gonna get this thing wrapped up and pulled back in the garage. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like the video, dislike the video. Truckers, thank you for all that you guys do. We appreciate every mile that you guys turn. But until then, keep them wheels turning, and we'll catch you guys all in the next one.